now my mom and I are headed to Saks Fifth Ave to get an outfit because I am going to the Maybelline event and I want something super cute. She's gonna help me pick since she's basically like my stylist and the most fashionable person I know. I just finished class and then I had to film a YouTube video. Stay tuned for something fun to come. I have a show later that I'm meeting Autumn at, and then we're getting dinner, and then I have another party tonight, and so I'm just wearing this. I thrifted this dress and I just love the way it looks. You never know what sizing, and I didn't try it on, but I'm like, I think it looks okay. So yeah. And then I like half did my hair and makeup for the show later, but I'm gonna do like a messy bun. But I was running late on time. So this is my shopping outfit now. I'm trying stuff on, but I'm not liking anything. I don't know. This is Helmut Lang and it looked so good on the hanger. You can't even see it, but it doesn't look good on me. This, I'm thinking about getting for the Maybelline party. It's supposed to be worn like this, but that's boring, so. Oh, maybe this shoulder looks better. Yes? No? Hello. We are on our way to go see the Land U show. This is the outfits. Yes, that wasn't good. We'll do another little quick shot. We can't put that. Okay, we're excited. First fashion show, go Fashion Week. 2018, September. Woo! Okay, Paris Hilton's right behind us. So I just got back to my mom's hotel and we're just hanging out. My mom is taking a selfie and she's also wearing the dress that I just wore. She's so cute. Oh yes! Wait, hey! We are having way too much fun. Oh no, is it out of focus? Yo! What's up? It's girls' night. What do you think of these glasses? I personally love them.
And I actually wore the dress much better, sorry.
Yeah.
It's my dress, it was mine, I bought it and lent it to my daughter.
My mom is wearing the dress that I had borrowed today. She does look better, she always does. I hope, oh my god, there's a loud game of beer pong going on. Yeah, let's go, okay, let's go. Let's do a video. Okay, oh, it's recording, what? So I just got a notification on my phone from this new app called Mappen that I've been using, and it shows where my friends are at and where the cool places to go are. So right now I just booked an Uber. I am headed to a restaurant to meet up with my friends. So what are we going to right now?
We're going to Spoken Well, the best, most amazing salon in New York. And we're gonna celebrate a little party.
So we are going to Spoken Wheel, which I feel like a lot of people will know what that is. It's a really cool hair salon in Soho. Yeah.
Party.
We just had really good food.
At the garage.
Yeah, the antique garage. And now we're going to party. 1, 2, 3. Got back to the hotel. Gotta get some water. Okay. I just got back to my dorm. This is like my first time sitting down. I don't think I showed you what I got from Saks, but I needed a dress for a party on Saturday. And I got this Alice and Olivia dress. It's like this material. It's cute. Yeah, okay. And then this one I showed you guys in the dressing room, I think. This is Diane von Furstenberg. I really need a pair of heels because I like don't have any in my dorm, and I almost bought myself a pair of Louboutins. like myself a pair. Like, wow, I feel so empowered by the fact that I can do that. But then I put them on and I'm like, these are so basic. Like, I don't know, those are not my type of shoe. I'd rather something crazy. And then I was gonna get these Gucci ones, but I just couldn't decide. And then I felt pressured, and then I didn't want to like spend my money and not be like really sure about it. So now I'm shoeless and I have to go quickly tomorrow morning probably and buy a pair of shoes. Oh, my mom's texting me. She's like, hello, did you get back? Remember to text me. Hi, just got back, Mom. Okay, so this is the outfit. Fun fact, this dress I'm wearing backwards. It's really open back, but you know, I thought it looked cool this way. Gotta change it up. Okay, it was my mom's idea. Okay, you know what? Everything just thanks to my mom because she's the cutest and best. But yeah, I have messy hair. So Lily's gonna do my hair in between shows. So right now, this is what I'm doing. Just got some bed head, threw on a scarf.
So you should be able to get a cab wearing that outfit.
Well, I missed the first show, but it's fine because now I'm eating this amazing grilled cheese. She's eating a salad because she's boring. Now we are just doing a quick hair change on somebody's steps. Also, close up on this eyeshadow.
Oh my god, I'm so smart.
Lily just quickly gave me this hairstyle.
I'd be nice, don't worry.
What's up? I don't have anything to say actually, but...
for my chargers, but I need to charge my phone.
Oh, well, I'm using your charger.
Oh, well, you're gonna need to give it.
Oh, okay. So right now I am leaving Larson's hotel and I'm gonna go meet Eloy for dinner. Wow, this quality's bad. I took Eloy to one of my favorite little hidden gems. I've never taken him here before.
You have to subscribe to know where it is.
Yeah. It's like this little lookout spot over Times Square. Because sometimes I just want to be a tourist and enjoy Times Square with my cutie. So it is really early and I'm already like getting ready even though my first event's at 4:30. But I have like some things I need to pick up and stuff, and so I figured I would just do my hair because I don't know what I'm doing with it, but I know I want it to be curly. This is my outfit. I'm going to get some brunch at the Smith, best restaurant ever. You can always catch me there. I can't remember like what I've been vlogging and what I haven't, but I got those two dresses from Saks, but then like the next day I was like, nah, they're not good enough, so then I'm gonna return them. And so I picked up this off-white like little slip dress. It's like very sexy and stuff, so I think it'd be better for the Maybelline party. I also picked up this like jumpsuit and then I was gonna wear it backwards, open like v-neck because there's zippers in the back. I'm not really sure. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna wear the off-white. What brand is this? MSGM. I love this. Like it looks so flattering, but I think I'm gonna go with the slip dress. And then I have this dress for a presentation I'm going to today. But yeah, I don't know what to do with my makeup yet. My hair is so curly. I'm just going out like this. Like, yeah. Oh my god, also yesterday I was crying in the elevator with my mom. I was just being dramatic for no reason. And when these girls walk in and they're like, oh my god, that's Vienna Skye. Like, we love a good first impression of me. We just had breakfast at the Smith and now we're walking around. So right now we are on our way to the Jonathan
Simkai presentation. Oh yeah.
This is the fit. Yes. Yes.
Oh my god.
Also guys, look at my shoes. I bought myself a pair of Louboutins. Yeah, but I'm excited because I purchased myself a pair, which is exciting to me. I just said excited twice. Okay, well, goodbye.
Bye.
Get a close up.
How do you say his name?
Look at them. Ooh. Look who I ran into. I'm seriously kidding. We're looking for the Uber. So right now we are on our way to the Maybelline event, and then I just did like a sleek bun with the little wispy pieces. Feeling so glam. We're ready to party. Yeah. Okay, we're at the Maybelline event, having too much fun, got to go, bye.